Hey guys, it's like 8:05 right now. I did everything a little backwards. I took my shower this morning, got my hair up, and now I'm going to do my bike for 30 minutes and let my hair dry and then see what the rest of the day brings. Good morning, happy Monday. Hey guys, it's like 11:35 right now, and I just finished having coffee because I ordered coffee from Dunkin' today, but I'm done now because it's anyways, but yeah, it was good. I used my glass straw. I really do like that. But other than that, I got my hair braided. My braids are back in, and yeah. Our air conditioner is leaking over here. This is the one that's in the living room and or the dining room, I'm sorry. And it's leaking. But mine works fine, and then the one in the TV room is working fine too. But the guy's coming between 12 and 4 today to clean it, or to fix it, clean it, whatever. So, we'll see. You gotta stay in here with me, okay? Because the guy's here to clean the air conditioner. Or fix it. Gotta be a good girl, okay? Good girl? Yeah. Okay. Sweet girl, yeah. Thank you for laying down and being a good girl, Hopi. Good girl.
Did you have to take your inhaler today or no?
No, I did not. Good girl, Hopi. What a good girl. Yeah, so, oops. Dropped your leash, but that's okay. But that air conditioner works fine. That's why we spent the whole day in here yesterday. It's just the one in the living room that doesn't really work. I mean, it works, but it's leaking. Like, it leaks down the wall, so that's not good. Oh, good girl. Good girl, Hope.
Somebody comes next door.
Yeah, well, hey, I'm praising her while I can. But anyway, so that's why me and Nani and Nani, whatever, we hung out in here. So, yeah. Hope really good job on not barking. Good girl. You're so good.
Good girl.
Yeah. Oh, and it's not leaking anymore. Did I film when it was leaking? Do I have any video?
I don't know.
I don't remember.
But it was fast. Wasn't it fast the second time?
Yeah, it was in like 10 minutes. You know what I think it was? I think when I went outside, it, like I went outside to read, and by the time I came back in, it was leaking. It's on right now?
Yeah.
Oh. What the heck? That always happens, though.
So annoying.
Yeah, but good job. But I think part of the reason why she's not barking is... Oh my god, literally Oh no, never mind. I was like, the windows are fogging up, but it's just the curtains. Haha. I thought the window was fogging up, but it's the curtain back here. But anyways, I think part of the reason why she's not barking is because we don't know this guy, but he's been here before. He's like, oh, I think I've been here before. So I don't know. That always happens though, you know? Oh man. I'm so proud of you, Dobie. You too, Sally. Good job. Maddie, I don't even know where Maddie is, but she's not barking either. So it is 2:14 and the technician just left. He didn't see any of the leaking like we did. So what did he say to you, Mom?
Well, it could have been a clog that fixed itself.
So
The outside drain pipe was a little dirty and goopy, so we cleaned that and hopefully we won't have any more problems.
yeah. But he also did a cleaning of them too. So
Next week.
she had that scheduled for next week. But now we don't have to have it. So, but what the heck? That always happens. So like I said, you schedule something and then nothing happens. But anyway, at least we know they're working, and it's actually
Freezing in here. I'm freezing. I gotta put a shirt on, like a real shirt.
sweatshirt. Yeah. I'm actually feeling my face. I'm actually kind of hot.
Oh, you could sit. Come in front of it.
Yeah. Anyway, we're gonna get lunch now, though. So, hello everyone. It is 3:42 p.m. and we had lunch. We had Nardelli's. It's like a local grinder place. And then I came in here because I'm pretty tired, and I did get my ring done. I don't know if I said that because I was piecing this video together and I forgot that I didn't film that part, but I did get my ring done, and I'm actually on track to get a perfect month this month for the month of June, which means all 3 rings closed every day for 30 days or 31 days or something like that, which will be the first time that I've done that since having the Apple Watch, which is cool. But I'm not really gonna strive to do that every month because if I'm being honest, I'm kind of tired, but it is what it is. So if it happens, it happens. It doesn't, it doesn't. And yeah, basically the whole day has been the air conditioning, but sorry, that light is horrendous, but I did get to FaceTime my niece. I actually did that while the air conditioner person was here because they did call me, but it's okay. And actually, funny story, I ordered their Christmas presents, like I said already, and they actually just got here today, like 5 minutes ago, and I opened them, and my mom goes, yeah, you're not gonna be able to wait until Christmas because they are really cute. But no, I'm holding out till Christmas. And yeah, it's exciting. I love giving gifts to people anyway, so now that I can do it for like my little babies, it's even more fun. But no, I truly love picking out gifts for people that I think they would enjoy, or like, you know, things that they're interested in, or favorite colors, stuff like that. And yeah. So now I think I'm just going to take a little bit of a nap, and then I will get up. I'm not gonna go sit outside and read today because it's been downpouring all day today, but maybe I'll read for 30 minutes later. And I know I said I wasn't gonna do this because I don't like Libby. Like, I like it less than I like Overdrive, or not Overdrive. That was the old app. I still have that though. I like Libby less than I like Hoopla because Hoopla has no like weight limit or wait time, like Libby does. But I was like looking through the books and I found a couple more that I would like to read, just to help me further along my goal of 100 books for 2022. Yeah, we're still in 2022. But yeah, so I'll probably get there soon-ish. But for now, we rest. Hey guys, I just got up not too long ago. It is 5:10 p.m. and I'm gonna end the video here. Thank you so much for watching, and if nobody's told you this today, you're awesome and I appreciate you. And we will see you tomorrow.